what's up, big kids? If you're watching this, only two things have, if you're seeing this, two things have happened. One, I found a new editing software because YouTube put the kibosh on theirs. So, where the hell did the mail go? I figured that out. Second of all, I got a little more time on my hands right now because winter is about over. Fat ladies out there singing right now. So much has changed, yet so much is still the same. Mail call. Let's go to service. This is actually a light load. Service was more slammed than this. Winter. Now we're coming down the backside of winter. Into summer, which is a little more spread out. Why is summer spread out? Because you don't have to wait to ride your summer toys. You don't have to wait for asphalt or dirt to fall from the sky to go out on your dirt bike, your quad, your motorcycle. Winter, you gotta wait for one thing. Yeah, two things. One thing, cold, essentially. But either a frozen lake or river or snow. And here in the Midwest, in the beautiful Chain of Lakes area, those two things did not line up properly, right? We had a nice frozen river system. The chain froze up. Perfecto. No snow. Great if you want to rip down the river and hope that you didn't blow your snowmobile up. And then late in the season, all the snow you could want. All the snow that you could want. But between the two, we had a nice little heat wave. It was like Mexico out there. And then all of a sudden, the river melted. Snow hit the ground. It never refroze. So now you're sticking to these trails that get beat up 2 seconds after they out. Whatever. We all had fun. It's winding down. We're heading into summer now. We're doing a lot of pickups and deliveries, which is good. Some of y'all need to get a trailer. Got an open spot here. Gonna go pick up a quad, dial that in a little bit. That little sled over there. He's going to parts. He's gonna chill in the parking lot for a little bit. Think about what he did. Did a little rebuild on this one. Put another piston in it. Yeah, that idle's a little high. This one's not ready to go home just yet. No, doesn't get the A-OK smack of approval. So double check that. I gotta go get this quad. Start the day. It's a Friday, just so you get a feel of what's going on. It's a Friday, but it doesn't matter because they're all just as stressful as the day before. You okay? Yeah. Oh, you're good. Hey, little tip for you kids. Always secure your trailer. Even if you're messing with it for a second, make sure that it's ready to rock at any time. I just took that sled off here. Tie bar down. Didn't put the tie bar back on. Driving down 120 right now. Watching that thing slide back down the trailer. Bounce that thing off the hood of a Toyota or something. Make sure you secure your load and always be ready. Safety first, kids. Safety first. Don't look like we got any cracks or nothing either, so we'll be good. We'll go with reopened service ticket. Clutch is just not right. Something about the clutch, the cable, something. But we're gonna get it figured out and get it back and back out, romping through the dirt as fast as we can here. One of the many hats of ownership. Forklift brake repair guy. That's me right now. I have no idea what I'm doing right now, but thanks to some videos on YouTube, I found out where the master cylinder is. Not specifically on this model. I just started poking around and I bent a little panel up. Found it. So that makes me an expert in Toyota brake master cylinders, and we're gonna try and bleed this thing and see if it works, because right now, no brakes. Watch out, coming in hot, Kool-Aid man through the front door. No brakes on the forklift. Not good. If all else fails, I can bleed forklift brakes. Not like really repair forklifts or nothing like that, but just, make sure that A, the forklift has brake fluid, and B, bleed it. So, I mean, it's a niche opportunity, but it is what it is. I put it on my resume now. Here's just a rarity. Something coming out of here for sale as a whole. Oh my god, look how fun that little toy would be. There's a customer of ours. We went through this machine, got it all up and running for him, so we could help him flip it. So, quick flip, $1,200, OBO. Everything's always OBO. But nice little fun little toy there. The flames add about 2.5 horsepower. Thing flies. Got our summer oil in. 55-gallon drum of 1040. Getting ready. This is the first time that we've done a complete inventory. 55-gallon drum of oil. Gearing up for a big season, so it's gonna be exciting. Back up and running, purring like a kitten. Thing will be all ready for, well, next season at this point. I have a clutch. I was walking around with it. This is what happens. You don't walk around with stuff, especially if it's someone else's. They hand it to you, you look at it, you hand it back, because you do not walk around in here with something, because I have a tendency of setting it down for a second. And once you set something down here, it's like Homer backing into the brush, just, and it's gone. That's what happened here. Primary clutch, it's got to be next door. That's ultimately where I was headed. It has to be over there. Another successful day in the books. Another whole week. A week for this. Months. Successful months in the books. Get some family time this weekend. And then boom, right back in here on Monday for the craziness of everything. Double decker right now. Check that out. That's new. You ain't seen that yet. Super safe around here. Second story. It's really like floor 1.5. Alright, so that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe, hit the button, and we're gonna be right back at it on Monday. Peace!